Popular Nigerian TikToker Peller is finally in Ghana. Now, there are a lot of people saying that, this guy coming to Ghana is of no relevance. He's just coming to waste our time and make noise. Others are attacking Shatta Wale. But regardless, Shatta is defending Peller against all of them. To the extent, say, we're promising to fly Peller straight from Accra to Kumasi in a private jet.
No, Kumasi. Kumasi. Yes, they say I have to come to Kumasi. I have a fans there. They are waiting for me. They are Kumasi.
They say you have to come to Kumasi.
I'm coming to Kumasi.
Chance to Kumasi, chance to Seko. I will see. But I see with the days you have, I don't want to see if you go fit manage them. Make at least I go fit take you to Kumasi. It be 1 hour from here. We for take flight, But for you, I won't take private jet for you. So make I see if I go fit arrange private jet. You understand?
Private jet.
Yeah.
Shatta Wale, if you do that, Shatta Wale, if you do that, I promise you something. I'm not gonna tell you that thing where I promise you. Private jet, Shatta Wale.
Relax. Julio, make you go make call and see if you will get jet for me. For Saturday. Yeah, just see if you go come and jam and see if you will get jet.
I go take picture of the private jet. Ah, you are going to do for me. Now, Shatta Wale,
I made it arranger. But we will enter Kumasi. So if I get a jet, I will make you make.
Guys, Peller, we need your help right now. We are outside. The security people are saying that they won't allow us to enter. So you have to do something, Peller. No. We are outside. My sister even traveled far away from the north and she's here. My mother is from Cote d'Ivoire, Togo. And you see, I'm from Tema, far away. Oh, no, you have to do something. No, Peller, we are outside. You have to do something. No, we are even late. See, sun is even burning now. We came to the airport. We didn't meet.
Out of relax, next video to the very last end. We share video on TikTok and X. Full video of Vimbas on YouTube. We share video on YouTube. Yes, sure. We can subscribe here. Do what say. Over subscribe. So Shatta Wale and Peller are trending massively across all social media platforms. Some Ghanaians are super angry at Shatta Wale for entertaining a small boy like Peller. They are saying it's a time Ben Peller. I mean, when did he, become famous? At Shatta's level, he should be playing with Burna Boy, Whiskey, Davido, Vibes Cartel, and co. Not Peller. However, smartly, there are people who are saying that, indirectly or directly, Shatta could benefit from the hype, fame, and numbers of Peller, especially in Nigeria. Now, who analyzes any Shatta, any Peller vibe here? You could actually tell say Shatta and Sudi tea or a street boy or the night drink and then one case Shatta Wale meets Peller or say Shatta Wale's Shagzy welcomes Peller to Ghana. So you could actually tell say probably or per se or activating Shagzy through Peller inside Nigeria. Eventually open a branch there. Now, there were people who were saying, Shatta is wasting time, resource. I didn't know I'm fly some of the loyal boys or Mudine then why am instead of say Obe entertaining Peller, I spend this account on him, he should help the boys that are working with him, a whole lot of things and a bad energy for a push it towards him. Now, so regardless of whatsoever they are saying, Shatta say la on TOBA. We promising Peller. I say obe private jet. Not just we flying off straight from Accra to Kumasi because Kumasi fans for epese omushian. We ain't wasting more time. On a Peller, I have a live session on Instagram. Beautiful session. Mama, you can hear that particular video of Vimbas TV so. And movie.
No, Kumasi. Yes, they say I have to come to Kumasi. I have a fans there. They are waiting for me. They are Kumasi.
They say you have to come to Kumasi.
I'm coming to Kumasi.
Chance to Kumasi, chance to Seko. I will see. But I see with the days you have, I don't want to see if you go fit manage them. Make at least I go fit take you to Kumasi. It be 1 hour from here. We for take flight, But for you, I won't take private jet for you. So make I see if I go fit arrange private jet. You understand?
Private jet.
Yeah.
Shatta Wale, if you do that, Shatta Wale, if you do that, I promise you something. I'm not gonna tell you that thing where I promise you. Private jet, Shatta Wale.
Relax. Julio, make you go make call and see if you will get jet for me. For Saturday. Yeah, just see him go be.
They don't go
Call my
they
dad
go do
and
am
see
now.
him go be get jet.
Ah, go take picture of the private jet. Ah, you are coming to do it for me. Now, Shatta Wale,
I made it the arranger. What we enter Kumasi. So if I get a jet, I go make make you just enter Kumasi, make you see. Kumasi be my second home. That be where my fans. I get plenty fans too for Kumasi. You see, so we'll go there. Yeah, I'll take you there. Yeah. No, they are making the call for. Don't worry, I'll arrange you.
Ah,
Go
who
back,
is
finish
nicer
everything.
than
Come
Shatta
out.
Wale? I never see before. Hey, everybody! If I say who is nicer than Shatta Wale, you go say I never see before. Well, I start to already now. Who is nicer than Shatta Wale? I never see before. Who is nicer than Shatta Wale? I never see before. Shatta Wale na the only man wey dey do this yo. Ah! Make person don't love person genuinely. No
I know,
sponsor experience. What I want give you when one beneficiary from me.
I know.
God bless you.
I know. God bless you.
See,
Too.
I have
God
to
bless
go and
you.
take in my bath.
Go and take your bath.
To your place.
Go and take my bath. Come, we'll go stream from my house. Today I will show you from my house. So I'll go walk inside my house with you, make you see everywhere from my house.
Let's go, guys. I'll be streaming on YouTube. Now there you go there. Come on, I'm going to meet Shatta Wale. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
I wait for you. Yeah. So hurry up.
Oh yeah, they come.
Okay. All right.
They come today because they don't know what God give them in Nigeria. They don't know. Until they lose things. They don't go lose me.
I know.
Bro. Now White House Shatta Wale put you for White House.
I know. No, that's one of my houses. That's why I say may they bring you there. I don't want to make you stay hotel. I don't want to make anybody come. I give you security. Anything you want. If you want to go anywhere, go there. I say I give them money, may they spend on you.
We go run the town with Rolls Royce.
Roll. No, I get my Rolls Royce. I get my Lamborghini.
I see your Rolls Royce. Shatta Wale, I see your Rolls Royce. We go run the town. Ajay. Shatta Wale, see. My left hand side, my right hand side, I have to get a girl so they do massaging for me. Come and take me. Oh my God, your number.
Don't do make Jarvis. Don't do make Jarvis. Jarvis vex you. Don't do make Jarvis vex you.
Ah no, Jarvis himself is sister. I don't know. He enjoying himself. He traveling in another country.
Enjoy yourself. Okay. Then Jarvis go see say you dey enjoy yourself for Ghana well.
I want to enjoy myself. Oh, that the purpose, you. Shatta Wale.
So that is it. Shatta and Peller vibe. In addition to moments Peller about Ghana, how he was welcomed by Shatta Wale's small boys, such as they were having a fun here and there. Still, people believe say Shatta dear. And vibes scatter and also small boy TikToker there. Say plenty TikTokers in Ghana obet mini on my diagram. And so the microphone and so I can say Peller has the numbers, so therefore Shatta and in a brand could benefit from. If you agree with them, for a comment section or if you have anything to say about this, feel free to put it in the comment section. Vimbas TV so and once again, we share video we are we subscribe yet, but one more thing, say subscribe.
Vimbas TV.